Okay, so return line, 42 inches long, 3.5 feet. It will have this for the bottom of the filter housing, and this will go into that one we threaded into. You're going to push your hose in till it bottoms out at the bottom of the threads again. Lubricate the fitting, holding the hose on the bottom, making sure it doesn't spin or push back out of the fitting. So there's a little bit of space there, just until it touches. That's all you need. Take the fitting out off of here, push your hose in till it hits the bottom side of the threads. Lubricate. Hold the hose on the bottom. Spin it in till it touches.